As you can see, this post right here gave me over 1.6 million views, and I got just $10.5 from this particular post, and I got over 660 new followers, and the post gave me over 63,000 engagement. Now that is not all. You're going to say that this post was published January 27. You can see 11:40 p.m. at night. Today I'm making this video. Today is actually January 29. So this is over 24 hours plus now since I made this post. Now that's not all. I also created another post again, over 400,000 views. I created another post again. This one gave me 2.3 million views and $9 as revenue, over 95,000 engagement, and over 700 new followers. I created another one again that same day, right? That same day. Now this one right here gave me 1.5 million views right here, and over $7 and over 400 new followers. These are just photos that I take 2-3 hours of my time to create, and I got this. Facebook can pay you for your posts, for your videos, your stories, and the rest. Facebook also give bonuses if you complete a certain task, and that is what I want to talk about today. And also I'm going to show you how much Facebook pay me per 1,000 view on this particular page. And also I'm going to show you a new niche that I just discovered newly, and we are going to be talking about that. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. I talk about different side hustles. I bring out different new ideas that I discover online. I talk about it, I share it with my community, so that if you like it, you can actually give it a try. If you want to get more content from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video. Just click on the subscribe button right there and join the community. Don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. That will be very helpful. Just comment where you're watching from down below. I also want you to know that this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. There is no guarantee that this is going to work out for you. Making money on Facebook requires dedication, hard work. I'm just saying that you're going to learn something today. You might actually see some positive changes in your Facebook content creation journey. If you look at my screen right here, you're going to see that extra bonus right here, $104 as extra bonus from this particular page on Facebook. And mind you, I have different Facebook pages that are also doing well for themselves. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I have actually monetized over 3 different Facebook pages, right? How was I able to earn this particular bonus? So the thing is that there are some tasks I actually completed before they gave me this particular bonus. So just because it's called a bonus, that does not mean Facebook is going to just hand it over to you. So I completed some tasks before I was able to get these bonuses. Now the first task that I completed was this one right here. They asked me to reach $20 in my earnings, and they're going to give me extra $4 bonus. Once I got to $20 earnings, they gave me my $4 bonus. Second one right here was this particular one. Now the thing is that this one I completed it 2 times. So let me show you guys how it went. This was when I did not complete the tax yet. You can see that this one here I was at $10 earnings right here. They said that I should reach 500,000 reach in 2 of my posts, and they're going to give me $50 extra bonus just for doing that. So I decided to create 2 posts that evening, and one of them was able to get to 500,000 reach. The second one was a little bit delayed, and I was really worried. After everything, I got my $50. You can see on this particular page here, I was able to complete this tax, but this one was not completed yet. I was able to complete the second tax, and I got my bonuses. Now there's something I noticed. If I come down here, I'm going to click on past. These particular bonuses have been coming my way since last year, and I've not been noticing it. Whenever you're on Facebook or as a content creator on Facebook, always make sure you go through your analytics. Bonuses actually helps a lot. Let me say you earn $100 for the month and you get like extra $300 in bonus. That is actually a lot of money. So bonuses also helps, you understand. Always pay attention because it's very important, especially if you have already monetized. This tax pay you $50, so I was able to complete this 2 times and I got $100 bonus, and I was also able to complete this one. I got $4 bonus. That's why you're seeing $104 bonus right here, and I did this under 24 to 48 hours. Another thing is that I told you guys that I found a new niche right here. This niche right here is booming, and the funny thing is that you can actually use AI to create it. You can see right here, this page is called Mountain Cabin. I think this page is from the West. What they do here is that they post AI videos of cabins, different kind of cabins in the mountain, in quiet environment. These are things that you can also generate with AI. There are different videos just like this, and the thing is that these videos are getting thousands of views. Like this one right here has over 400,000 views. I'm going to be making a tutorial to show you guys how you can actually create things like this just with your smartphone using different AI tools. This is not just videos, they also have photos right here. This is actually called Mountain Cabin. That's the name of the page. I believe you can do this with AI. You can see how beautiful and peaceful this is. All those figures I showed you, it is actually posts that gave me that, not my videos. I did not create any videos. And the funny thing is that those posts, I generated all of them using AI. So I'm going to be creating another tutorial to show you how I can do something like this. I can generate videos like this or images like this, the mountain cabin style image, using AI just with your smartphone, so that you can start posting and start monetizing. Facebook Pay, yes, for you to monetize on Facebook, you have to have at least 5,000 followers, you understand, and you have to have a consistent amount of view and a consistent amount of engagement on Facebook for you to be eligible for monetization. And also they have to invite you before you can actually get monetized. It's another page I just created, and after a few months I was able to monetize the page. You can monetize your page, and from January to December you might not even see up to $50. After monetizing the page, what comes next? It's all about you knowing what to post that will boost your engagement, boost your views. I told you guys that I'm going to be showing you how much Facebook pay me. Let me scroll down right here. I want to show you how much you can actually earn from Facebook, or how much Facebook actually pays me. So you can see right here, Facebook actually pays me 0.1 cent or 1 cent per 1,000 view. This is very bad, right? This is bad. I know they are paying it based on my location and my CPM and RPM and everything. Now if I go over to my photos right here, for my photos Facebook pay me the same thing, just 1 cent per 1,000 view. Now not just any kind of 1,000 view. If your 1,000 view is not qualified, you're still not getting the 1 cent right here. I have more views from my photos more than the ones I have for my reels. So I have over 5 million views from my photos. If you're using Facebook and Facebook is paying you, let me know how much they pay you per 1,000 view. So maybe it's just because of my account, or maybe Facebook don't like me, understand? But I believe they are paying like this because of my location. Let me know what you think in the comment section.